Hi everyone, welcome all of you. I am Pooja Patil, Assistant Professor, Swedish College Pharmacy. Today we are discussing about the topic colloidal dispersion in physical pharmaceutics. In this unit, I am going to cover a classification of colloidal dispersion. Generally, colloidal system made up of two phases. First phase is a dispersed phase. What it means by dispersed phase? The substance distributed as a colloidal particle is called as a dispersed phase, and continuous phase. Continuous phase means what? The colloidal particles are dispersed in a dispersion medium. For example, colloidal solution of copper in a water. In this diagram, we can see the copper ions dispersed into a dispersion medium. That is, copper ions act as a dispersed phase and dispersion. They are distributed into a dispersion medium. Classification. First, based on dispersion medium, we can see the number of types of dispersed mediums and dispersed phase. First thing is a foam. Foam, which is made up of two phases. Dispersed phase is a gas and dispersion medium is liquid. For example, whipped cream, shaving cream, soda water, etc. Solid foam. Dispersed phase is a gas, dispersion medium is a solid. Examples: fourth cork, pumice stone, foam rubber, etc. Aerosol. Dispersed phase is a liquid, dispersion medium is a gas. For example, fog, mist and clouds. Emulsion. Emulsion is made up of dispersed phase is liquid and dispersion medium is a liquid. Example: milk and hair creams. Solid dispersion or gels are made up of a dispersed phase, that is liquid, and dispersion medium is a solid. Example: butter and cheese. Next is a sol. Dispersed phase is a solid and dispersion medium is a liquid. Examples are paint, inks, colloidal foam, colloidal gold. Next is smoke, made up of solid. Dispersed phase is a solid, dispersion medium is a gas. Examples are dust and soot in air. Solid sol. Dispersed phase is a solid, dispersion medium is a solid. Examples are ruby glass and alloys. Last is cells. Dispersed phase is a corpuscles and dispersion medium is a serum collagen. Examples are biocolloids and blood and bones. Next is classification based on interaction between a colloidal phases. On basis of interaction between particles or ions of a dispersed phase with molecules of dispersion medium, colloids are classified as follows. First colloid is a lyophilic colloids. In these lyophilic colloids, philic means high affinity towards the water. Lyophilic colloids are also called as hydrophilic colloids when dispersion medium is water, and oleophilic colloids when dispersion medium is oil. Lyophilic means dispersion phase exhibits a definite affinity for dispersion medium, that is solvent. For example, dissolution of acacia or gelatin in a water or cellulite in amyl acetate leads to formation of soap. Another examples are rubber or polystyrene in non-aqueous solvents like a benzene forms lyophilic colloids. What is meaning of sol? A sol is defined as a solid substance dispersed in a liquid are referred as a sol. If dispersion medium is water, it termed as aquasol. If dispersion medium is benzene or alcohol, is termed as benzosol. Next type of colloid is a lyophobic colloid. Lyophobic colloids are also called as lipophobic colloids. This type has a little or no interaction with the dispersion medium, that is a oil. Lipophobic colloids are much less stable, are known to irreversible as a residue left on evaporation or non-removal of a solvent. Lyophobic colloids includes inorganic particles dispersed in a suitable medium. For example, gold sol, silver sol, colloidal sulfur, ferric hydroxide, arsenic sulfide in a suitable solvent. Next is a association colloid. These colloids are formed when molecules of soap or other surface active agents or surfactants are associated together to form a small aggregate that is called as a micelle in a water. The aggregates formed by this substance are of an ordered structure and form liquid crystal which falls in a size of colloidal range. Surfactants are characterized by two distinct regions of opposing solutions and have affinities with the same molecule or ion. Therefore, they are called as an amphiphilic colloid. Hydrophilic or lipophilic portion of a surfactant molecule on interacting with solvent medium gets solvated depending on whether the dispersion medium is aqueous or non-aqueous. Colloidal aggregates are formed when concentration of surfactant exceeds critical micelle concentration, that is CMC. Above critical micelle concentration, viscosity of system is increases. For example, association of colloids, sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium stearate, cetyl, trimethyl ammonium bromide, etc.